Welcome to Hypercar Haven, the ultimate destination for those who crave the roar of power, the precision of design, and the artistry of speed. Here, we dive deep into the world's most exclusive performance machines, where every curve, every roar, and every heartbeat of the engine tells a story of innovation and excellence. Today, we step into a realm where concept meets reality, where McLaren's imagination has been transformed into a track-ready masterpiece, the McLaren Solus GT. The McLaren Solus GT is not just another hypercar. It is a vision brought to life, a car born from the virtual world of the Gran Turismo video game and turned into a tangible engineering marvel. What makes the Solus GT extraordinary is that it exists purely for the track. There are no compromises for road legality, no distractions from comfort or convenience, only the purest form of performance. Every inch of this machine reflects McLaren's racing DNA, pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and raw power. Starting with its design, the Solus GT looks like something straight out of science fiction. It has an ultra-sleek, single-seater layout with a fully enclosed cockpit covered by a jet fighter-style canopy. The body is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, sculpted for maximum downforce and minimal drag. McLaren engineers focused on making the Solus GT as close to a Formula One car as possible, and that philosophy shines through in every aspect of its design. The massive front splitter, sculpted side pods, and enormous rear wing generate over 1,200 kilograms of downforce, ensuring that the car stays glued to the track at high speeds. The cockpit of the Solus GT is designed around the driver, offering a pure racing experience. The canopy opens forward like a fighter jet, and once inside, you are greeted by a minimalist interior focused solely on performance. There are no unnecessary luxuries, just a race steering wheel with integrated displays, adjustable pedals, and a seat molded to the driver's body. Every control is positioned for precision, and visibility is optimized for the perfect racing line. The sensation of sitting in the Solus GT is unlike anything else. It is a direct connection between man and machine. Underneath its sculpted body lies the heart of this beast, a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers over 840 horsepower. This engine is mounted behind the driver, revving to an astonishing 10,000 revolutions per minute. It is a bespoke unit built exclusively for the Solus GT, offering a soundtrack that's pure mechanical symphony. Unlike many modern hypercars that rely on hybrid systems or turbocharging, McLaren chose to keep the Solus GT's power delivery raw and immediate. The throttle response is razor-sharp, and every rev sends vibrations through the carbon fiber chassis, reminding you of the car's untamed nature. The performance figures are equally breathtaking. The Solus GT can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and it can reach a top speed exceeding 320 km per hour. But these numbers only tell part of the story. The real magic happens in the corners, where the combination of advanced aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and race-spec suspension delivers mind-bending grip and control. The car weighs less than 1,000 kilograms, giving it an incredible power-to-weight ratio. On the track, it feels agile, balanced, and ferociously fast, almost telepathic in how it responds to driver inputs. McLaren has also equipped the Solus GT with a 7-speed sequential gearbox derived from racing technology. Gear shifts are lightning fast, and the transmission is mounted as a stressed component to further enhance structural rigidity. The suspension setup uses double wishbones with pushrod-operated dampers, allowing for precise tuning to suit any track condition. Every part of this car is engineered to deliver maximum feedback and control to the driver. The braking system, featuring carbon discs, provides immense stopping power, ensuring the Solus GT can decelerate as brutally as it accelerates. Beyond raw performance, the Solus GT represents a new era of McLaren's creative ambition. It embodies the freedom to build something unconstrained by road regulations or production limitations. Only 25 units of the Solus GT are being produced, each customized for its owner. Buyers were involved in an exclusive program with McLaren engineers to tailor the car's setup, seat position, and even the aerodynamic configuration to their preferences. Owning a Solus GT is more than having a car. It's gaining access to a private world of track days, driver training, and direct collaboration with McLaren's elite team. This hypercar is not only a technological masterpiece but also a symbol of the future of automotive engineering. The Solus GT proves that virtual concepts can transcend pixels and become physical works of art. It's a perfect fusion of creativity, craftsmanship, and pure performance. For McLaren, it represents the evolution of their design language, lightweight engineering combined with emotional driving experiences. Driving the Solus GT is said to be an almost spiritual experience. The roar of the V10 engine, the downforce pressing you into the seat, and the precision of every corner combine to deliver sensations that few cars on Earth can match. It doesn't just move fast, it dances across the track with grace and aggression, merging human skill with machine perfection. It's a celebration of speed in its purest form, crafted for those who seek not just to drive but to feel alive. The McLaren Solus GT stands as a reminder that the boundaries of performance are meant to be broken. It bridges the gap between fantasy and reality, offering a glimpse into what happens when imagination and engineering meet without compromise. Whether you admire it for its design, its technology, or its raw power, one thing is clear: this is one of the most thrilling machines ever created. Here at Hypercar Haven, we bring you the stories behind these incredible creations, from the engineers who build them to the adrenaline of the tracks where they belong. If you're passionate about the world's most extreme automobiles, you've found your home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Hypercar Haven family, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of the fastest and most exclusive cars on the planet.